Postman. Today I got some new stuffs to show you. So these are the bats which I am going to show you now from the brand GM. So I will show you one by one. Have a look at this. It's a model from the brand GM Eclipse Cosmic One. So it's a nice bat and good profile. Look at the grains. All those grains are straight lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally 7 grain straight lines. And the bat weighs around 1150 grams only. It's much lightweight and easy to handle. See the soft coat, nice soft coat, and the thickness, balance, everything is fine. So it's a new brand from the. So have a look at this. Okay, so we'll see the next one. This is also from the brand GM. So the model is Iconic Classic Plus. See the grains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 straight grains. Comparing to Cosmic, Classic Plus has one more grains, straight grains, and the weight is 1160 grams. This is also good bat. So very straight bat, nice balance. See the spot. So it looks very nice and easy to handle. So we'll go for the other one. These all bats are from the same model, that is Siren. So we are going to look one by one. So this is Siren 707. So have a look at this. All those bats are with straight lines and the bat is very less weight, around 1140 grams only. So it looks so nice. It's easy to handle also with one hand. Have a look at this. It's a nice bat, and also it has a grains of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 grains. Very less weight bat. So we'll go for another one. It's from the same Siren 808 model. Have a look at this. So it has so many grains comparing to 707. Small grains, but all are straight grains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Almost 12 grains here. So the weight of the bat is around 1170 grams. So we'll go for another one. This is from the Siren 909. So comparing to Siren 808, it has some lesser grains, but all of the grains are straight grains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 grains. 9 grains here in Siren 909 model. So weight is little weight than Siren 808. It's around only 1140 grams. Okay, the next one is Siren Excalibur. These are in the categories of player range bats. So like Siren 808, Excalibur has so many grains. So we'll calculate that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Almost 13 grains here. So we'll not get more grains on every bats. So it looks so nice and easy to handle also. The weight is around 1160 grams. And we'll go for the last one. This is from the Siren Prestige. It's a player edition bat. Have a look at this. nice bat for the good hitters. Very less weight, 1140 grams. Comparing to all other bats, this is the best bat that I have to show you. Let's calculate the grains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Almost 10 grains here. So it's a player edition bat. You will not get almost 10 grains in the player editions. And it's very easy to handle, less weight, and it's very useful for the good hitters. Have a look at. So I'll show you the price of all these bats. We'll start from the Eclipse Cosmic. So the bat costs around 22,929 rupees MRP. And this is Icon Classic Plus. It's 32,729 rupees MRP. And the Siren 707, it's 15,729 rupees MRP. Siren 808, 17,929 rupees MRP. Siren 909, 20,929 rupees MRP. And the Excalibur is 27,749 rupees MRP. And the last and the precious one, this is the best bat, Siren Prestige, and it's around 41,829 rupees MRP. All these bats have good discounts for our regular customers. So please regularly visit our website www.sportsland.store and also ping with our Instagram account. Also grab your offers soon. Definitely you will get a good discounts on the purchase. So grab it soon. Thank you so much for visiting our channel. Thank you so much.